It's hard to believe that the S550 Mustang is already 8 model years old, and we know a lot of these cars have already been through several owners, and there's a lot of people who just got their hands on an S550 for the very first time. And we have hundreds of videos on modifications for your S550, but we know the first time looking at modifications, it'd be kind of daunting to figure out where you want to start. So in today's first 5 for 5, we're discussing 5 very common modifications for the S550 Mustang, and best of all 5 of these can probably be done in your home garage, and even if you need some help from a professional, all 5 should be easily done for less than $500 each. First on my list is going to be hood struts. Now, unless you have a GT500, you're not getting a factory hood strut, you're still stuck with a prop rod. For around $130 or so, we have several different options of hood struts for the S550 Mustang that make it much easier to work on the car, they look a lot better, and best of all, they're very easy to install. Next on my list is going to be a resonator delete. They're available in either X-pipe or H-pipe form. Now when it comes to the S550, a lot of the catback exhaust systems are a lot more expensive than Mustang owners are used to. While the resonator delete, it gets rid of the factory resonator, makes the factory Mustang exhaust sound a heck of a lot better. Now most of these resonator deletes are just a little over $200, which leaves plenty of money under that $500 budget, even if you have to pay someone to cut it and install it for you. Number 3 on my list is going to be a set of lowering springs. We all know lowering springs make your Mustang simply look better. As a bonus, it's going to perform better as well. Now again, the lowering springs might need a little bit of professional help getting these installed, but either way, for a little over $200 for a set of springs, that leaves plenty of money for a pro if necessary. But watch one of our videos, you're surprised, you might be able to do it yourself. Number 4 on my list is going to be wheel spacers. Now, new wheels for your Mustang are going to be expensive. You know, a lot of new owners maybe not ready to make that investment yet, but a set of wheel spacers on the stock wheels will make them look a heck of a lot better. Now, Ford has a lot of decent looking factory wheels. Spacing them out more can improve the stance of your Mustang and make it look a heck of a lot better, especially if it's lowered. Wheel spacers are available, less than $200 a set, and if you can change a wheel, you can install wheel spacers yourself. Number 5 on my list is going to be a set of LED marker lights. Now these are very simple to install. You can easily do it yourself. There's no tools required. Best of all, they're less than 50 bucks. The first time you walk up to your Mustang at night, hit that disarm button and see those light up, you'll understand why they made my top 5 list. And we sell thousands of parts and have hundreds of videos for the S550, so again, there's all kinds of things you can do to these cars. Those 5 mods we just listed though are a great way to get started and really change your Mustang, and best of all, get you back on the road in no time.